everyone, I am Dr. Jasmine Murwaha. I have made a short video and added few points about changes we can make in our college post-COVID. I hope you'll all like it. So let's get started. This pandemic is going harsh globally. It is affecting dentistry badly. As we need to work in close proximity to the oral environment, we have to be more cautious. We all know what changes we need to make inside operatory. We have a lot of guidelines regarding it. But what about the changes outside the operatory, especially in the dental institution? We might be thinking of restarting dental institution. The question arises, what changes we need to make? Some of us might be having fear, what precautions can we take outside the operatory to prevent the viral infection? So I have made a short video discussing few points on post-COVID changes required in dental institutions. So starting with it, there should be a person on the main gate entry to ask patient to cover their face with a mask, dupattas or handkerchief. Then foot pedal dispenser should be lying there at the entry of the college so that the staff, students and patient may sanitize their hand without touching the bottle. In addition, you can also keep these dispensers near the waiting area of your department. Then public awareness poster regarding hand hygiene, various guidelines, COVID prevention tips should be displayed at the entry.
Avoid crowd and reception area. Social distancing norms should be followed. You can use foot stickers on the floor to maintain distance between the patients. You can also put some cross on the waiting area chairs so that for maintaining the distance between the patients in the waiting areas. Then patient is directed to the diagnostic room where students or staff should have shielded attire while taking history. Careful history should be taken according to the guidelines.
Then patient's body temperature should be monitored using the non-contact infrared thermometers, and pulse oximetry level should also be checked at the entry only, so that these patients should not come in contact with any of other staff or students, and the suspected cases should be referred to the hospital immediately. Attendance should not be allowed until or unless patient is physically disabled. You can also provide shoe covers to your patient. Provide such bags to patients to put their articles in it to prevent the contamination. Interns or staff can use plastic gloves to make entry into the OPD cards as it will act as a barrier. According to National Health Mission, 3-bucket system should ideally be practiced for floor disinfection. Mopping should be done in a unilateral direction from inside to outside. Regular disinfection should be done either by 1% sodium hypochlorite or 70% alcohol. Garbage bins should be there at exit point of every department so that patient will be able to dispose their articles like shoe covers in these bins. With the positive hopes, in the end, I'll say, this shall too pass, and the need of all is to fight against this hidden enemy. And I just want to take a moment to say thank you to all the Corona warriors. It means a lot. Thank you and stay safe.